Ghana, are you ready? Hamisu and Namenj live in Ghana at the Zongo Culture Night. Also performing is our very own Adani Best, Baba Jama, Bashari, Sasko, and many other more. Mark your calendar. Bring your friends and families for a night full of cultural celebration, unity, and networking. Dates: Monday, 17th June 2024. Venue: the Grand Arena Dome, Accra International Conference Center. Time: 5 p.m. sharp. Rates: regular 120 Ghana cedis, VIP 200 Ghana cedis, and couple 300 Ghana cedis. Tickets available at the National Mosque, Kanda, Baina TV, Hijra TV, Maraba Radio, Nima Roundabout World, Accra Mall Photo Store, and all Zongo community in Accra. This program is sponsored by
da an taɓa ki a jira ni da kwatila sai na zo na ɗau fansa jimirin jiran ki dai dan ki zo na kalle kikin biyar Hausa.
For table reservation and ticket delivery, call 0243646732 and 0545031479. Zongo Culture Night, where tradition meets celebration. Barkan ku da sallah.
Zama da ke akwai karuwa.